Hi there, Billy Tarasio, Arizona attorney here, and today I want to tell you about the 5 top mistakes that I see people make when they are representing themselves in family court. So I've been a family law attorney for the last 20 years, and I've spent almost all of that 20 years working with people who are representing themselves in addition to representing people. And there are themes over and over and over again that I see them making the same mistakes over and over. The first mistake is failing to understand the complexity of their issues or of family court. So sometimes you have people who are super overconfident and they think, hey, this issue is super easy. I'm going to go in, I'm going to tell the judge X, Y, and Z, and they will see things the way I see them, and it will be good to go. They do not plan adequately. They do not put in the time to understand their issues or their judge, and they end up getting a really terrible result or a very incomplete result. Number 2, failing to understand the rules of procedure or how the system actually works. Let me give you an example. When calculating deadlines in Arizona, anything under a 10-day deadline is counted as business days. Anything over 10 days is calendar days. Then we always add 5 days for mailing. And these deadlines are super important. You've got deadlines all throughout your case, and being unaware of how to calculate those deadlines has ended up costing people motions or issues. And so that is one of those mistakes that I see come up again and again and again. The third mistake I see is when you get people who are really, really prepared. These people spend the time to understand the complexity and to study the rules of procedure. They can have a hard time differentiating between the 2 roles they have to play. When you're representing yourself, you have to play the role of the client and you have to play the role of the lawyer. That's challenging, and those are 2 different roles. And I've talked before about how you need to show up in court when you're representing yourself, which hat you need to put on, how you need to convey things. But that is a real challenge that people have. Number 4 is failing to plan for the future, solving your problems today and really being hyper-focused on fixing whatever your current issue is, but failing to make a plan or resolve issues that will come up in the future, that we can easily foresee happening, that we should build into your current order or your current solution. And then number 5 is failing to understand the emotional impact that can come from representing yourself and the amount of pressure that you are putting on yourself, the emotional toll that it can take to wear both hats, client and lawyer, learn all the rules that you need to learn, show up in court and do battle maybe against another lawyer, and how that emotional impact can really take a toll on you, and ways that you can alleviate that, things that you can do to help kind of ease that burden. So these are some of the issues that we talk about in Win Without Law School. We teach you the procedure, we teach you the law, we teach you the strategy, we teach you how to negotiate. So if this is interesting to you, if you want more information about how to represent yourself in family court, you want these courses, you want the support of a community that's going through this with you, and the best part, office hours with a lawyer every single day, Monday through Thursday, then you should sign up for Win Without Law School.